If you employ staff in Saudi Arabia, here is exactly how end-of-service gratuity is calculated, and the one mistake that quietly understates what you owe. Under Article 84 of the Saudi Labour Law, the formula is half a month's wage for each of the first 5 years of service, then 1 full month's wage for every year after that. And the wage it is based on is not basic salary alone. It is basic salary plus fixed allowances, most importantly housing. The most costly error employers make is calculating gratuity on basic salary only. That understates the liability, because Saudi law counts the housing allowance and other fixed allowances as part of the wage. Transport is generally excluded. Take an employee on 10,000 reals basic plus 2,500 housing, a wage of 12,500 a month. After 7 years, the first 5 years accrue half a month each, so 2.5 months. The next 2 years accrue a full month each, so 2 months. That is 4.5 months in total, times 12,500, which is 56,250 reals. One more thing changes the number, how the employment ends. If the employer ends the contract, the full accrued amount is payable, regardless of length of service. If the employee resigns, a reduction applies. Nothing under 2 years, 1/3 between 2 and 5 years, 2/3 between 5 and 10 years, and the full amount only at 10 years or more. Gratuity accrues from day one, so it is a liability you carry the entire time someone is employed, not just at the end. If you hire in Saudi Arabia through an employer of record, the provider should accrue and administer this on its own Saudi entity. Aspiroc does that from its Riyadh office. The full Saudi hiring guide and a cost calculator are linked below.